it's so important to know what's your GPU temperature and your CPU temperature. So to find it out, please hit like button and subscribe the channel, and let's find it out. So for your CPU, you need to download Core Team. It's completely free app. Just click here, Core Team, download, and click on, and it's here, Core Team version 1.17.1. download. Click on that, and I already downloaded, so I no need to do that. It's already here. When you open it, click yes, and you will see your CPU temperature every single core. So my CPU had 8 cores. Each one of them is 32, 34, 35, 35. So you can tell like my CPU is between 32 and 35. So that's all right. So let's check GPU temperature now. So to do that, click on right and Task Manager. Then go to on Task Messenger, go to Performance. On Performance, you will see your GPU. My GPU is 53, the temperature now. And my CPU, how is working, everything, you can check that. But to check the temperature, it's saying it under the GPU one. It's here. So hopefully this video help you, and to find it out your GPU and CPU temperature, please hit like button and subscribe the channel, and see you on next video.